Good morning. So today I'm going to show you my absolute favorite way to prepare tofu. It's super easy, it keeps in the fridge well, and then you have a handy high protein staple item just constantly ready in your refrigerator. So what I have here is some tofu. Let me start this. For this particular preparation method, an extra firm type is going to work the absolute best, and you just open that up and we drain off all the liquid. There we go. And then we'll press it, and here you can see I have my tofu press. The tofu's been in here usually about 15-20 minutes. So that one's been sitting, drain out all the extra water. We want to get it as dry as we can. It just gives it a better texture, and it also helps it to keep in the fridge better. So then we'll take our tofu here, we're going to slide it in our press, and again, just let that little guy set for a while and get all nice. If you don't have a tofu press, you can do what many of us have done for a long time, is just place the tofu on a plate, place another plate on top of it, and then you're going to set something heavy on the top of that plate. It will get all the water out, and then you can kind of dry it off with some paper towels. So what I do is just slice the brick in half, and nice little rectangle, and then we're going to take and slice the rectangle widthwise so that we have two nice slices. Voila, approximately about the same size. I use 2 of these as a serving, about 200 grams. Then I'm going to take my baking sheet, and we're just going to place some tamari on it. Super easy. I like tamari flavored a little better than soy sauce. If you prefer soy, that's fine. Or teriyaki is also a nice base. And then we just place that right there. Let it set a little bit. And then once this other one is drained out, I'm going to slice it and put it on there as well. I have some already that's cooked in the oven. I'll grab that and show you what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our baked tofu. There's still a little bit of sauce on the tray. Then we're just, what I'm gonna do is remove the tofu that's on our baking sheet, and I just put it in a container. Make sure the container seals up really good. Put it in the fridge, and it'll stay fresh, tasting nice and firm and dry for about a week. All right, enjoy.